we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of LWQ electric pressure washer. That's include powerful cleaning. The electric pressure washer has a deep cleaning water pressure of 4200 max psi and up to 2.5 GPM of water flow. While saving water and energy, it also ensures high cleaning efficiency and the ability to clean objects with complex shapes and structures, which makes it ideal for cleaning various surfaces in the home, such as driveways, patio furniture, and cars. Multifunctional use. The power washer is equipped with 4 quick connect metal spray nozzles, water pressure strength 0 degree, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and a foam cannon. 4 metal nozzles with different pressure strengths for different application scenarios to meet your cleaning needs. The detergent bottle can be filled with chemicals such as bleach. The cleaner will not pass through the pump, so you don't have to worry about cleaning the machine. Easy to use, equipped with a 23 feet hose and 36 feet power cord, the pressure washers provides ample length to ensure freedom of movement. The design of 2 rollers breaks through the environmental limitations for easy movement and operation, while the bottom of the body adds an anti-tipping design for overall stability when not in motion. In addition, it can take water from both a faucet and a bucket, making it easy to create a clean space wherever you want. Convenient storage. The high-pressure cleaning machines are equipped with a power cord hook and nozzle holder for easy access. In addition, its compact design makes it easy to store in a garage or pantry when not in use. The high-pressure washer is perfect for cleaning concrete, pavement, driveways, patios, decks, sidewalks, RVs, cars, boats, homes, fencing, and more. Saving water and safety. The electric pressure washer using high-pressure water flow to clean up the dirt is currently recognized as the world's most scientific, economical, and environmentally friendly cleaning methods. While saving water and energy, it also ensures high cleaning efficiency. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.